Hello guys, welcome back to Danzial World. Today you will see the amazing 80 plus wardrobe designs. A wardrobe design is crucial in the sense that it has to address several concerns. The perfect Almirah design or Almirah design should be functional and convenient apart from being pleasing to the eye. This guide will help you select the perfect cupboard designs for bedroom. Traditionally, the bedroom is the preferred room for a wardrobe. With a little bit of planning, you can come up with a bedroom wardrobe design without it being a giant size one. Do not use up all the empty space to fix a wardrobe. In case you live in an apartment or flat, always be mindful of the fact storage and empty spaces have equal importance in the overall scheme of things. In simple words, you need storage as much as you need empty spaces in your home. They have to complement each other. In a small bedroom, the wardrobe should be a light color too. Single-purpose wardrobes are a luxury and ideal in case you live in a large villa or bungalow. In comparatively smaller homes, one must focus on the multi-functionality of the wardrobe. Your wardrobe must be built in such a way that you can easily store all your clothes in it. It should also have enough space to keep accessories like belts, ties, socks, handkerchiefs, footwear, towels, and toiletries. The next question is, how functional is your wardrobe? If you are going to use your wardrobe for all your clothes segregated according to the need and occasion, make sure it has the space for each one of them. Wood is the best material for wardrobes. A wooden wardrobe can be designed and assembled on the site, while inbuilt wooden wardrobes are great. Wooden wardrobe as a separate piece of furniture also allow freedom to move it around, so it can be placed in any part of your home and used for multiple purposes. Aluminium can also be used to build a lightweight wardrobe. It is less expensive than other materials. This silver grey metal also has its own charms and beauty and adds a bit of the industrial decor theme. Wardrobes that have mirrors on their doors are apt for small homes. They make the room appear more spacious and also add a charming touch. If you are tempted to display some of the contents of your wardrobe, you can recreate wardrobes only using glass. While glass doors on wardrobes are high on maintenance and expensive, they are surprisingly sturdy as well depending on the quality of the glass used. Glass doors look classy, but remember that everything has to be spick and span at all hours, as it is a see-through wardrobe. Classic designs never go out of fashion and are popular choices because of their time-tested elegance. Buying a separate cabinet for footwear means another piece of furniture occupying some more space in your home. Wardrobes with storage space for footwear are popular in apartments in cities. The space for storing footwear is also built towards the bottom of the wardrobe. The multipurpose made of steel wardrobe works best for tenants who may have to move to new cities or new homes quite frequently. Apart from being sturdy and cost effective, this wardrobe also gives your home an informal look. However, since everything is on display in this wardrobe, it must always be kept tidy. If you find neutral colors too dull for your taste, you can always go for a splash of color for your wardrobe design. If you are not in favor of the often used white or wooden color for your wardrobe, you could go in for blue. You do not have to be too careful with blue since it blends with almost everything. Built-in closets in dark shades add a rich and luxurious look. However, dark shades will require extra lighting to make all the parts visible. Combining dressing tables along with your bedroom wardrobes is not only convenient, it may be the only option for modern compact homes. That is why the concept of wardrobe designs with dressing tables has gained popularity in these times. Since your master bedroom would typically have more space than any other bedroom in the house, it would be perfect to have a wardrobe with dressing table. In case you choose an area other than your master bedroom to build a wardrobe with a dressing table in your flat or apartment, open wardrobes with a simple dressing table are a great space saver and are highly convenient, especially if we are talking about fitting in wardrobes with dressing tables in a compact space. The wardrobes in this bedroom with its mirrored doors make the area look bigger because of the white color. Ensures that you have lights. LEDs are the best option in your wardrobe. One little improvement can go a long way in not only illuminating your wardrobe but also making it supremely convenient for you to negotiate your way during all hours of the day. In case your old wardrobe does not allow you to arrange your clothes and other miscellaneous items in a convenient fashion, you could invest in closet organizers. This would eliminate the need to redo your wardrobe and offer you the liberty to arrange all sorts of items neatly. For your precious items like jewelry and watches or even important documents, the wardrobe must have inbuilt safe made from a sturdy material like steel, even if the entire wardrobe is made of wood. Invest in best quality materials to build your small safe and ensures the lock is of a reputed brand. The horizontal and vertical spaces used to hang your clothes must have enough length so that your dress, saris, coats, bathrobes, etc. that you hang fit well without folding. Keep enough space both horizontally and vertically for all the items. So here are some wardrobe design tips. All your winter wear must be neatly folded and kept safe in your wardrobe. Avoid hanging them as it affects the fabric. Second, season impact. What kind of clothes are used more frequently? In summers, the light clothes would be used more, while warm clothes will be used more during winters. These must be arranged in such a way in your wardrobes that enable easy access to the seasonal clothes. Third, while having the lower end of the wardrobe as a shoe rack is a great idea, be mindful of the fact that your footwear gathers dust and grime. It must be properly cleaned before you place it back in your closet. So these are the wardrobe design tips should be kept in mind. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in next video.